Now let's see the parts of the Scratch window. Alright, first of all you can see very well the block panel. It is called block panel, colorful circle. Alright, all colorful circle, total 9 category are there. And then afterwards you can see the purple color, that is the menu bar. Alright, the top bar is called, and here is the project name that you can type whatever is the topic. Alright, whatever the topic you are going to create, you can write down, like for example here it's written my first project. Alright, and after that you can see that this is called block palette. Alright, this is your area where you drag and drop the block command. This is called scripts. Alright, you can scroll and you can select it, okay, whichever the command you want, that we will learn later, but it is just a simply idea that in the script area we put all the command. Alright, and then we animate the character. So our character is this time is a cat. Alright, and we can animate that with the help of the program. Whichever command you can attach, and you can move it with the help of the command only. So values are there. We have to edit numerical value, that you will learn later, but at least you should know very well that this is the way how we type in the command. We drag and drop, we attach, detach. Alright, and then we can stop with the help of the stop button. If you want to use the green flag to start the program, go to the event, take the green flag and attach. So it will help you to start your program. You can see before the program green flag is there. Alright, so green flag button means the go button. Alright, this is go button, and you can see your character moves on the stage. Alright, whenever you will click, and then you can see how it's moving on the stage, is performing action on the stage. So this is the way how it's working. Alright, it needs a command, and this is the sprites pane. You can edit it, you can give the name to your character, like it's a cat. Afterwards you can see the size. If you want to increase or decrease the size, you have to write in number and then press enter key. Alright, so you can see very well that here is written 200, and then see the size of your character. The cat is now 200. Alright, now this is the show or hide. Okay, the I button, you can see the I button is there. So you can show also, you can hide also. Delete, if you want to delete from here, you can delete the character and confirm yes. So now you can see no character. Alright, then we can have that more character using this gallery. Okay, it is the collection of different kind of category, and you just click and you can see again go, and then you can see ballerina is added. You can see this is a ballerina, another a new character. Again, if you want to resize it, you can resize it by typing the value. Alright, but remember to press the enter key every time when you change. Remember to press enter key. Alright, so this is the way how you can change the size. Alright, remember the tabs are there. Costume tab. Alright, so costume tab, just like a paint program. If you want to make some changes, you want to write the title or you want to write something there, you can take the T for text, like I'm writing she is a dancer. Alright, so here the text is written, it means I am editing. Alright, I am editing, I want to add something on the stage. So this is the way you have to use the costume tab. Alright, you can see this is the eraser. This is the way how you can erase it. Alright, don't be surprised that my mouse is having lot of star. That is animated. Okay, don't worry if you are not getting that. Then this is the fill option, text option, select option. Alright, so many options are there, and by selecting you can move it. You can see how the text is moved, and putting the title. Alright, above this character, she is a dancer. Alright, so this is the way how you can add the character, you can animate the character, you can change the character. Alright, this is the backdrop. Okay, backdrop means the background. In Scratch we do not say the word background, we say backdrop. If you want a beautiful background, all right, you can say in a simple way background, but technically it is backdrop. Okay, just like a stage. Okay, on the stage we put backdrop, so a back scene.